Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install a NetSpeed indicator on Ubuntu. This trick will work in all versions of Ubuntu. So let's start the video. Open the terminal and type the following command given on screen. Now open any browser and open extension.gnome.org website. Now search NetSpeed. Install this extension. Refresh the page and after that you will see on off button. You can see NetSpeed indicator has been installed successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button to get notification of all new videos.